Hello, investor family. I am glad to welcome you today. And today I want to record a video about Bitcoin because it is very important. We need to determine where Bitcoin will go next. We have elections coming up in the USA, and we will discuss how the market might react. I want to warn you that I use artificial intelligence technologies to convey information to you because I have a poor knowledge of the English language. But that's me. I'm alive, and you can be sure of that. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. On the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we see this pattern. It is an expanding descending wedge. In our previous video releases, we mentioned that we expect this pattern to break upwards. I provided this information to our traders and investors in our WhatsApp channel and in our Telegram channel. This was on October 12th. Pay attention to the screenshot when Bitcoin had not yet broken this pattern. We expected a scenario where there would be a move up to the upper line of this pattern, then a bounce down, and then Bitcoin would break this pattern. Please look at how beautifully this all turned out. Bitcoin came to the upper line of the pattern, bounced off it, and broke through. Now Bitcoin is testing this pattern from above. This is classic when the chart breaks a pattern and then tests it from above. According to classic analysis, we should expect an upward movement next. Bitcoin reached its highs, note that it touched the peaks, and we saw a local correction. And during this upward movement of Bitcoin, we were trading the Dogecoin, and we were able to take a 62% profit from Dogecoin. At first, it was 34% from Dogecoin, and then Dogecoin rose even more, and it gave us 62%. It was a very good trade with Dogecoin, but we are talking about Bitcoin now. What can we expect next from Bitcoin? I think that if Trump wins, we will immediately see a breakout of this resistance zone. This is the zone of highs for Bitcoin. There will be something like this, and Bitcoin will first rise to $80,000. This is the first target. Then Bitcoin will go even higher. We are currently at the beginning of a global trend, and this global trend will end in the second half of 2025. And by that time, Bitcoin will be priced between $120,000 and $170,000. These will be its maximums, but the first target after breaking through the resistance zone is $80,000. If Donald Trump does not win and Kamala Harris wins, then I think the chart will go into consolidation, and then it will only break through this resistance zone. I don't think there will be a situation like many expect, because there are people who anticipate that Bitcoin will go down to $40,000 or $45,000. This can only happen if a black swan arrives. However, we do not currently observe black swans in the world. Yes, of course, they can come. They will definitely come in the future, most likely. But for now, everything is quiet and calm. We do not anticipate such a scenario. Therefore, we expect that in any case, regardless of which candidate wins, we will see Bitcoin grow, either sooner or a little later. We expect an altcoin season soon, starting with a local altcoin season, and then a global altcoin season. In the upcoming video releases, I will tell you about the local altcoin season and the global altcoin season. I will show you altcoins on which you can make very good profits. I also invite you to join our messengers, our WhatsApp channel, and our Telegram channel, because that is where we take profits on various altcoins, and we recently took profits on the Dogecoin. For today, I say goodbye. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.